If you want to change your LinkedIn profile URL, this is what you're going to do. Customizing your public profile URL makes it cleaner, more professional, and easier to share. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to head over to your profile. You're going to click on the Me icon, your profile picture at the top right of your LinkedIn homepage, and then from here, you're going to select View Profile right here, just below your profile icon. Now from here, you're going to access the URL settings. On the right-hand side of your profile page, look for and click Edit Public Profile and URL. So you can edit this by clicking on this pencil icon right here, just beside it. And then from here, in the top right section of the public profile settings page, you're going to find the Edit Your Custom URL box, which is right here. You're just going to click on the pencil icon next to your current URL. Now from here, you're going to choose a new URL. Type in your desired custom URL. You can use your first and last name. Avoid special characters except a hyphen and numbers if possible. So you can just change it like that. You can maybe change or remove the numbers right here. And then after that, you're just going to click on Save to save the changes. If your desired URL is taken, you may need to add a middle initial or a professional term. And that's it. That is how you're going to change your LinkedIn profile URL. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.